guys, today I'm going to talk about the B-roll and I'm going to talk about the A-roll and why the B-roll is very important and what is the benefits of the B-roll. As you might have heard about this, that the B-roll is only to to verify the product or the area that to be shown on the screen. But B-roll has one another advantages. B-roll is very important, and this question was in my mind. It was for a long time. It was remaining that to ask someone: is it important to shoot first B-roll or is it important to shoot first A-roll? What is the most important? Like maybe as you know, that's the A-roll. That if I'm talking direct to the camera, that's A-roll, and B-roll is the things that is just B-roll is this. This is B-roll. So now you know the difference between A-roll and the difference between B-roll. And the second thing I want to tell you about the B-roll has not only the importance of the product or the area to be shown on the screen. It's not only this. It is the main thing is the main beneficial things what I see in it is to educate you about the product or about the area that what you are for your story. It educates you to tell the story nicely from your mouth, and also you will be fluently talk about would be able to talk about the things or the area that you are talking about. Like for example, yesterday or 2 days before, I went to one of the area, and I had no story. I just went there. I took my cameras, and I was just thinking just to go there and just only like if you some story, if it comes to your mind, so you will speak it. If it doesn't come anything in your mind, just you will be in uncomfort zone to go just outside and do something. Just only for this I went there. So I went there, and really it happened that no story was in my mind, and I was just I just wanted to go out of house to. So I went there, and then I had no story. So I thought, okay, let's make some b-rolls. So starting that place was a open place. There was water, the river, big river, and there is a bridge, and up the bridge there are a lot of cars and good lightings, and also the sunshade, it shows the area. The reflection of the sun is very beautiful. So I really, at that time also, I didn't realize that it can be a very good vlogging, or maybe I know it because that's why I went there. So I start b-roll, making b-rolls. So from air, from all everywhere. So I made it, whatever I could do it. I came to home. I saw. I just saw. I was not like happy for my work because I didn't do any story. I didn't make any vlogs. So I came at home. I saw the b-rolls, and I tried to cut the good shots for 3, 4, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Everything I shot, like the ducks, they're flying in the air, and I shoot them, and even it was a sudden shoot, and also the bridge, the cars, and all around the sun, and my video, and the lighting reflections. So everything I cut, and I like the b-rolls a lot. Wow, it's really beautiful. The lighting is very beautiful. Wow, it's the water is looks very beautiful in the shots, and the bridge looks very beautiful. So it's really great. I like it, but I cut it, but I really didn't have that night the idea that the day will come that I will discuss about this area one day. So it was the next day in the morning. I was thinking, what can I have today? Which story I have today to be discussed today for today vlogs? So I had no story. So I just came outside, and I was walking, and I was thinking, what can I tell to the viewers about today's vlogs, because I had promised them to I will be online here to every day for the vlogging. So then I thought about the vlogging, uh, that why not I discuss about the area where I was yesterday. So it was very beautiful. The shots I have very beautiful of that shots. So the camera, I had camera, so I just only start the camera and I kept talking. Even I'm a very shy person, I kept talking. Yeah, this is a very beautiful place, I'm going there and I hope I can make nice shots. I just say on the screen, but I did it yesterday. So why I was keep talking to the camera, and why did I have the confidence? Because the confidence that was developed by the b-roll, because I know what I'm gonna say on the screen, on the camera. So this all things can be true in the end of the vlog, because I have all the things was coming in my mind. There is a the ducks are flying, or the water, or the bridge, everything. So I was keep telling in the stories that I'm gonna go there and there is a lot of waters and there is bridge and there is the ducks and this very beautiful area. So I'm going there, I hope I get there and I will get a good shots, and keep telling about these stories. So what happened? So yeah, and then in the end I said, I'm gonna go there as I reach there today, so I will make that shorts, and then I will make the today's vlogs about this uh, this area, which is my favorite area. So and I went there, I just only went there not for the b-rolls. I just went there for what, for just making a 1 minute video, to be to just let them know that I'm in this area and my shot has been completed and my vlog has been completed. So I went there, I took my camera and I just say, oh yeah, I took everything. So it was today vlogs, and see you then tomorrow with another vlogs. So I ended the vlogs, and now is the second day. And now why I'm talking in front of the camera with high confidence, even I'm a very shy person. You know why? Because that's the things I wanted to let you know about the b-roll importance. Because the b-roll, the day before, the b-roll made me ready to tell the story the next day. Because the b-roll was in my mind, that's why yesterday I made the story about that b-rolls. So today, why I am talking in front of the camera with a high confidence? Because today I know what I'm gonna talk about. I know the story, and the confidence, and the successful story, how it made. So that's why one day before I had experience, and today I'm gonna discuss it in front of the camera. So it means a knowledge of the things is very important when it's done before, and then you just come on the screen and you discuss it. So that's the story. I hope you understand about my topic today, and that was the most important of topic, that the many people are confused about this topics, that they don't know, is it important to first is it necessary to make first b-roll, or is it necessary to make a-roll first, story, to tell the story, which is most important. The people are in this, uh, they are confused, like I was a confused person. So now I know, if anything I want to discuss about in front of the camera, and first what I will do, I will do the b-roll, and then I will just only, because I know the b-roll, what has been good shot, what I have the good shots, like anything, if I any product or anything, any area. So then I confidently can talk about that vlogs, that things, because I know this all things has been made before, and now it will be shown, so confidently I can say in front of the camera. So it was the story that has been told about the b-roll, and today vlogs I will end it here, and see you tomorrow with another new vlogs. Bye.